Delhi court has granted bail to Javed Ahmed Lone and Imam from Ganderbal district of occupied Kashmir accused of terror funding. The court in its order said that helping a person build a house or providing financial help to a man for his daughter's medical treatment cannot be considered as incriminating. Nawab of Junagadh State, His Highness Nawab Jahangir Khan Ji today delivered a lecture on Junagadh is Pakistan at the Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad, wherein he threw light on the past and present of the once Muslim-ruled state, which is now under India's illegal occupation. He said on 9th November 1947, India, in violation of all the international norms and agreements, assaulted Junagadh and illegally annexed it on the pretext that the state had Hindu majority population. Nawab Jahangir Khan Ji said that he had been sensitizing public on the issue, and by the grace of all, Junagadh has been restored to the map of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which is a good thing. A woman was found dead under mysterious conditions in Rajouri district of Jammu region. Woman's body was found in front of her house in Gunda area of the district with injury marks on her throat. The woman was identified as Shamina Kausar. 55-year-old man was injured in a mysterious blast in Rajouri district of Jammu region today. Some kind of blast either due to a grenade or shell took place near the Gadi firing range area of the district, in which a civilian, namely Harbant Singh, was injured. People staged forceful protest demonstration against the anti-people policies of authorities. Scores of Anganwadi workers and helpers held a big protest rally against the new HR policy. These Anganwadi workers and helpers from various districts of the Kashmir Valley assembled at Press Enclave in Srinagar and demanded the rollback of the policy. The protesting workers said that as per new policy, if a worker is married outside the ward or district, she will be treated as disengaged. National Conference leader Ratan Lal Gupta has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party has failed to fulfill the promises made with the residents of the border areas. According to Kashmir Media Service, addressing a gathering in Rajpura area of Samba district, Ratan Lal Gupta said that the 8 years of BJP rule have only resulted in the destruction of economy, jobs and employment besides highest inflation. Incarcerated chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Masarrat Aalam Butt has deplored that the fascist India has waged an all-out war against the people of occupied Kashmir, but the international community has maintained criminal silence on the matter. Masarrat Aalam Butt, in a message sent from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, condemned the sealing of the residence of the icon of Kashmiri resistance, Shaheed Syed Ali Gilani, and hundreds of properties belonging to Jamaat-I-Islami by the Indian authorities. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, has said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is engaged in ethnic cleansing of the Muslims in the occupied Kashmir. Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said, "Butcher Modi has turned occupied Kashmir into a killing field where innocent people are being killed by Indian troops with impunity."